Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Hello friends, in the last class I have given you example from the Indian Institute of Science, what the students of the undergraduate program of Indian Institute of Science have developed as part of their course Mapping India through the Folk Arts. So, they have developed few artifacts which demonstrates a synergy between the Indian folk art with science and technology. Today I want to give you few more examples from the students of IISc itself. From other forms of Indian folk art. Last time I have given you examples from visual folk art, that is Indian folk paintings. Today I will give you example from music, from theatre, from dance and some thematic examples as well. This is to show you that it is possible to have a dialogue, it is possible to establish a dialogue between the Indian folk art with science and technology, and the Indian folk art are able to effectively represent science and technology in a very lucid, in a very effective manner. So, let us see more examples. So, I had given you examples from Indian folk paintings last time. Today, let us see from music. So, this was the slide I had showed you last time, that within the arting science domain, the arting science program, what kind of things the students are doing, what kind of work students are doing. So, students have created things within the domain of painting, within the domain of music, theatre, dance, ecology, etc. So, I have shown you examples from paintings in the last class. Let me give you some examples from music, theatre, dance and ecology in today's class. So, today let us hear some songs at first. So, this is one song that I want to play for you. Here the students have very effectively produced a Malayalam boatman song, which talks about the water cycle in the environment using boatmen's songs that the boatmen sing while they go out for voyages. So, here they are talking here they are telling about the water cycle in nature through the boatman song. So, let me give you another example. This is an Oriya song that students have created. This talks about the life cycle of the whale in the Chilka lake of Orissa. So, I must tell you that the music form was we had discussed this form with the 2013 batch of the undergraduate program of IISc, and they were able to create such artifacts. So, these are the music, these are the songs that were created by the 2013 batch of Indian Institute of Science undergraduate program. So, these were the examples from music. Now, let me give you some examples from theatre. So, this performance this was put up by the students from the 2014 batch, and here the students were asked to represent scientist take a scientist perspective on social problems and how they have used folk theatre to represent the scientific take or scientist take on social problems that are plaguing our society. So, this is Darwin's theory of evolution, and it was shown in shadow puppetry. As shadow puppetry, as you know, is common in many parts of India. It is common in Andhra Pradesh, it is common in Assam, it is common in Karnataka as well. So, shadow puppetry is quite common, and here their students are showing Darwin's theory through shadow puppetry. This is anthropocentric worldview in Nakal. Nakal is a theatre form from the North India, mostly Uttar Pradesh side. So, here the students are showing how they had it was a skit that they had put up. They are showing that how the people who have never seen a cow were trying to understand it from their own perspective, that the cow is like a human being, a cow is more like a human being. It's like how human beings are not able to come out from their own obsession with themselves, and they try to represent, they try to understand everything around them from a human perspective only. From so the students had shown the anthropocentric worldview in Nakal. So, this was a technological take on mythology in Ram Leela. So, students had showed what if there was science and technology during the mythological period, and this was shown in Ram Leela style, the Ram Leela theatre form style. What if there was technology during the Ramayana period? This is what the students had represented. So, this was bursting superstition with swang. Swang is another theatre form which is common in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh area. So, students have represented, or the students have shown bursting superstition with swang in another skit. This is gender equality through Yakshagana. Students have used Yakshagana to show how mythology themselves talks about gender equality, but sometimes we tend to neglect them or overlook them. So, here gender equality is shown through Yakshagana theatre form of Karnataka. So, countering caste through Ras Leela. So, this was Ras Leela theatre form style, and students have shown how caste is non-existent in certain period of time, but it has become more rampant probably in the modern period and as time has progressed, but countering caste through Ras Leela. So, they are showing how caste can be how one can overcome the evil of casteism, and they have shown it through Ras Leela style. Resisting unaccounted development through Chow. Chow is a very popular, very well loved theatre form of West Bengal, Orissa region, Jharkhand region also, and here the students have shown how there is unaccounted development at the cost of ecology, at the cost of environment, and this is they have shown through the Chow art form. So, these were some of the examples from theatre. Now, let me give you some examples from dance. So, this was a program that the students of the 2015 batch had put up, Sway with Science. Here scientific discoveries from various disciplines of science was represented through Indian folk dance. So, this is Dolu Kunita. Dolu Kunita, as you know, is a very popular folk dance from Karnataka. So, through Dolu Kunita they are showing Haber's process of chemistry. So, here we had try to see what are the most important discoveries in the recent times in various disciplines of science and technology. So, here Dolu Kunita is shown in is showing Haber's process by the students. The popular drum dance of Karnataka with a typical structural pattern illustrated the exothermic and reversible formation of ammonia by combining nitrogen from air with hydrogen derived from natural gas. So, this is the Haber's process, and Haber's process was shown by Dolu Kunita style of Karnataka. Kuttu is a dance form from Tamil Nadu. So, here the discovery in material science, the discipline of material science is shown here. Material properties and microscopy is shown through Kuttu style. The high octane street dance form from Dappan Kuttu of Tamil Nadu shows the characterization technique which probe and map the surface and subsurface structure of material. So, here the the material properties and microscopy is shown through Kuttu dance of Tamil Nadu. Lavani and through Lavani CRISPR of is shown. CRISPR is an important discovery in the field of biology. So, students have shown Lavani, students have shown the discovery of CRISPR through Lavani dance style of Maharashtra. As you know, Lavani is a very popular dance style in Maharashtra. The graceful dance of Maharashtra with discrete costume and choreography showed the genome editing technology that allows permanent modification of genes within organisms. So, they have shown the genome editing technology using Lavani style. Koitapattu, Koitapattu is a dance from Kerala. It is a agricultural dance done by the farmers and the agriculturist. So, here they are showing gravitational waves and universe expansion, that is a discovery made in the field of physics through this dance form. The rustic farmers harvest dance of Kerala deployed to explain the sophisticated idea that gravitational waves will allow us to explore the fascinating mysteries of cosmology. So, this is Vida style, Vida dance style, and they are showing plastic eating worms. This is an important discovery done in the field of earth and environmental science. The jestful Vida dance, Portuguese remnants in the Daman and Diu region, showed the unfettered party of the plastic molecules until the mealworms are introduced by the scientists to break their bond and spoil the fun. So, this is this dance form showed how discovery in the field of earth and environmental science and how plastic eating worms are introduced by the scientists to stop the rampant harmful effect of plastic. Kalbelia 4 color theorem mathematics. So, Kalbelia is a dance form from Rajasthan done in the desert. So, here using this dance form the 4 color theorem of mathematics is shown. So, dancers adorning 4 different colored costumes, the sensuous snake charmer dance of Rajasthan adopted to express the complex theorem that not more than 4 colors are required to color the separate regions of a plane, so that no 2 adjacent regions have the same color. So, this is a theory in mathematics that if there are 4 colors, then it is possible not to have 2 adjacent regions of a plane in the same color. So, this is what the students have shown. I want to show you some examples, some clipping from the So, through this dance they were able to show that only 4 colors are required for a plane to not to have two adjacent regions with same color. So, what they did was the dancers wore 4 color costume, and only when 4 color costume dancers were introduced in the dance, that two dancers wearing same color costume were standing together. Until the fourth color was introduced, somehow or the other even if there was 3 colors, dancers wearing similar colors costume were able to stand among together with each other, but only when the fourth color was introduced that this was possible. So, they were able to show effectively how the mathematical theorem that 4 colors are required for a plane to have no two adjacent region to have same colors. Now, let me give you some example from ecology. So, in 1 year we decided to discuss themes. We decided that we should discuss thematically. So, we discussed ecology and we saw what are the relationship it has with society, what science and technology, the relationship science and technology has with society, keeping ecology as the theme. So, in this year we had we asked students to explore what is the relationship science and technology has with tribal life and ecology. As we have seen in this course also and generally also that the tribals of India have very close relationship with the environment, with nature. So, what has science and technology done to enhance the life of the tribals or enhance the condition of ecology, or has it done something harmful, has it done something useful, or has it been neutral. So, the question was to explore these things using folk art form, using visual art form. So, the students have come out with this kind of folk paintings. The first one, this I call collision. So, some groups of students have said that science has not done anything useful. It is science and technology has not done anything useful for nature or for the tribal life. They have in fact destructed the peaceful life. So, these are some of the representation that they have done. The first one is Assam manuscript painting style. So, here they have shown how human beings have using science and technology, they have disrupted the peaceful life, they disrupted the balance in nature. Here this is another style, in first style they have shown how there was a golden period before, but later on gradually it has become dark because of the unaccounted, unabashed use of science and technology towards the environment, how human beings have exploited the environment, the ecology using science and technology. This one is showing in the Chitra style of Karnataka, how the balance of nature has been tilted, how the balance of nature has been disturbed when science and technology has been introduced by human. So, and the last one is the fourth one is here is a comparison between the imperialistic attitude of the Britishers towards the Indians and then what the Indians are actually doing to nature themselves. So, here there is a comparison how the Britishers had exploited the Indians and how human beings are also exploiting nature. So, there is a sense of imperialism. So, this is the famous snake eating its own tail style. This is done in Goan style. So, here it is showing that here the excessive use of science and technology to exploit or to abstract from nature has led to destruction, and it has become leading to self destruction. It is like we are destructing ourselves in the process. So, here they are showing the snake eating its own tail. So, some group of students felt that the science and technology has not done anything useful, but they have been medium or they have been modes of destruction for ecology and tribal life. But another group of students felt that there has been a confluence. Science and technology has very nicely mingled with the tribal life, very nicely mingled with the environment, and there is a confluence of both. There is harmony. So here they are showing in Shaura style how life has been gradually become better because of science and technology. Here this is Shaura style. This is another Shaura style painting showing same thing, that how science and technology using things like electricity, communication, education have actually enhanced life of the common people, and also has been able to aid the environment. Here is another style where buildings and all comfort of life has shown, and this is a style of the Kerala region. So here also they are showing how science and technology has actually brought comfort to people's life, and has also been helpful towards the environment. This is again a wheel art style. This is showing the elephant corridor. So using science and technology, how there can be a peaceful existence of human beings with nature. You can create a elephant corridor, and the nature, the animals can also live peacefully along with human. The third group of students felt that science and technology has been able to produce something very vibrant, something very useful, and this is something very fresh, and which has been very helpful towards the life and nature. First one is we have discussed Ganjifa. So, this is a Ganjifa style where they are showing how science and technology has been able to nurture nature. So, here they are showing tiger tracking devices. Similarly, they are showing cloud seeding, and then they are showing here they are showing how nutrients are helping the plants to grow better. So, many such things they are showing, and here they are trying to say that science and technology has actually nurtured nature. Here they are showing the DNA altering techniques, where in drought affected region by changing the DNA of the plants they can be made to live better. This is done in Firth style. This is again a Chittara style where they are showing entropy, and how science and technology has bettered the life for people using techniques of entropy. Here again they are showing cloud seeding, how this is done in again in Assam manuscript style, how technology has aided to have rainfall in drought areas, how science and technology has helped actually in nurturing the nature, in helped in making life better. This is coral reef restoration. The students have shown coral reef restoration in Bhil art style, how the coral reef that was destructed was resurrected, rebuilt, or by using by the help of science and technology. So, they have shown that science and technology are actually aid in creating better life for the nature and better life for the tribals. So, with this example I wanted to show you that there is possibility of exploring as this course is called exploration of scientific and technological research through Indian folk art. So, the students have been able to establish it quite effectively, that there is possibility that science and technology can have a dialogue with Indian folk art, can have a exchange, can have a sharing of ideas with Indian folk art, and both can be at par with each other, both can be equals, and they can talk to each other as equals. So, I have given you few examples. I would like you to explore on your own what you think you can do with this kind of ideas. So, see you in the next class. Thank you.